Hello, my name is Mr. Toth, and I am the computer technology teacher at J.T. Lambert Intermediate School. All 7th grade students take an Introduction to Programming class as an elective. Programming became popular in schools in the 1980s, when I was your age. I loved it because it taught me how to solve problems using computer science. I wanted to teach computer science and programming when I went to college, but it was so new in the teaching world that a college didn't offer courses in what I wanted. So I also loved math, so I wound up getting my degree in math education while also graduating with a degree in computer science. That dual major allows me to teach a variety of skills that my students at JTL have benefited from. Over the past decade, there has been an uptick in app creation because we now do everything using an app. We find out weather conditions, we order pizza, we play games, we have our car lights turned on automatically with a sensor in our car's dashboard. We watch entertaining videos and interact with others on computers, tablets, phones, and everything electronic. So programmers are in high demand right now to create a variety of programs for many different markets. While a programming class may sound very complicated, don't let the word programming scare you. Programming doesn't have to be difficult. We're going to work on something called physical programming. We will make simple code to do some incredible things with a device called a microbit. The microbit is a small computer processor that has numerous things that you can connect to it. It has light sensors, LED lights, a speaker, and a variety of sensors that can be hooked up. It also has an accelerometer which detects motion. We can use these different sensors to program the microbit to work in our physical world. I have microbits and kits full of cables and sensors to use here at school. Cables are also available on the closet doors in my room. Please be careful when handling the materials for the microbits. If you want to purchase your own microbit, they are available on Amazon for about $28. The kits, however, are rather expensive and cannot leave the computer lab. In our 22 days together, we will talk about computer programming, develop algorithms, create flowcharts, and then turn those flowcharts into code. We will download the programs that we make onto the microbit to test out our coding. Microbits are compatible with the Chromebooks, so lessons can be completed at home because we will be using our Chromebooks to do all of the programming in class. I will have you use the iMacs to see video instructions, so I will have you log on to the Macs also. We will be doing about 7 programs with flowcharts throughout our 22 days together. The entire class is taught through Google Classroom. You will have a few quizzes, a few flowcharts and programming projects to complete during our time together. Each program will have a flowchart that goes with it. We will make programs like an audible dice roller. We will have the microbit flash different messages and images. But the most fun of all will be the programs that we make, which are games that we can actually program right onto the microbit. We can make the microbit do some incredible things if you do the following. Come to class ready to work. Make up the work you miss in class. I give students plenty of class time to work on the assignments that are due. If you don't finish the assignments, you will have to do them at home. There really is no reason for not turning in a project other than laziness. Most assignments take less than 10 minutes to complete, so you should be able to get them done in class. Everyone should do well grade-wise in this class too. I'm looking for flowcharts and programming projects to be completed and turned in through Google Classroom. The real fun happens when you get to utilize the programs on the microbit to see if they work the way you programmed them. If you need to use the bathroom, do it at the start of class. Going right at the start of class or after a teaching portion of the lesson is really best. Do not ask to go when I'm in the middle of instructing. Please let me know if you have a band lesson too. You can watch videos to make up the work at home by watching the videos associated with each daily lesson. Don't become a behavior problem in my class. This class was built to run in a fun but very orderly manner. If you don't understand something, just ask me. It's my job to help you through the class. Your job is to ask questions about the subject that I'm teaching and to follow along with the examples that I ask you to complete. If you need to ask me something and don't want to ask in class, just email me. I take pride in helping out my students, so you have to meet me halfway with communication. Ask or email me and I will get back to you. So I encourage you to make the most of your time here in Intro to Computer Programming. You will have every opportunity to have fun, learn a valuable skill, and to see the importance of programming in the physical world.